Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to connect Xair to iPad. Before starting, write down the following details as your network name, Wi-Fi password and security protocol. Set the switch on the Xair mixer to access point mode and power on the mixer. On your computer, tablet or mobile device, go to Wi-Fi settings and select the Xair mixer's network. Open the Xair app and select the Xair mixer when it appears next to the IP address box. In the Xair app, press Setup and select Network from the menu. Enter the Wi-Fi name and password in the designated section and choose the correct security protocol, then press Apply on the left of the network window, then close the Xair app. On your computer or mobile device or iPad, connect to the school's Wi-Fi network and turn off the Xair mixer. Set the Xair mixer switch to Wi-Fi client mode and power the Xair mixer again. Now, launch the Xair app on your computer or mobile device. The Xair mixer should now appear next to the IP address box. Select the mixer and start using it. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.